Welcome to the future of AI. Why this video matters. Alright, let's be real. AI is moving at a speed that most people can't even keep up with. 1 year, it's just helping you write essays. The next, it's running businesses, trading stocks, creating entire movies, and replacing entire industries. And here's the crazy part. By 2025, AI won't just be a tool anymore. It'll be an autonomous agent, meaning AI will be able to think, plan, and make decisions for you. So in this video, we're breaking down what autonomous AI actually is, how it's already transforming different industries, and how you can use it to start making money right now. And because I want to help you get ahead, I'm giving you a free AI Starter Kit PDF. It has 5 step-by-step ways to make money with AI in 2025, so check the link in the description. Oh, and since I'm giving you this for free, can you do me a favor? Hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me keep making these videos. Let's jump in. AI agents that work for you, the future of work. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and instead of checking emails, managing projects, or handling customer service, an AI agent already did everything for you. It responded to messages, booked your meetings, created a marketing campaign for your brand, maybe even wrote and published a blog post. This is not science fiction anymore. This is called autonomous AI. AI used to be reactive. You had to give it a command. But now, AI is becoming proactive. It can plan ahead, complete full tasks, and even adjust if things go wrong. These AI agents don't just follow orders. They actually think for themselves. Real-world examples: startups are already using AI agents to research any topic and summarize reports, write emails, proposals, and entire marketing campaigns, automate customer service and chatbots. A company called AutoGPT built an AI that can completely manage an online store, from finding products to writing product descriptions to running ads. No humans needed. And it's not just for businesses. Personal AI agents like Replica AI and Pi AI are being developed to act as personal assistants, helping with daily tasks, emotional support, and scheduling. Want to try AI-powered automation? Look up Taskade AI and AutoGPT. AI that manages your money, financial freedom with AI. Let's talk about money. Most people hate budgeting, investing, and tracking expenses. But AI loves that stuff. And now, AI agents are managing money better than humans ever could. AI bots are predicting stock market trends with insane accuracy. AI investing platforms are outperforming human investors. AI can automate savings, investments, and even tax planning. Right now, AI-powered trading platforms like eToro and Wealthfront are managing billions of dollars. Their AI-driven funds are beating a lot of human investors. AI-powered investing and trading AI trading bots. AI platforms like eToro AI and Wealthfront use machine learning to analyze market trends and make strategic trades automatically. Crypto trading AI. Platforms like 3Commas AI and Token Metrics use AI to optimize cryptocurrency portfolios. Real estate AI. Tools like Mashvisor AI help investors find profitable real estate deals by analyzing market data. Want to automate your money? Check out eToro AI and Wealthfront. AI creating content. How to make money without creating anything. AI isn't just running businesses. It's also creating content, writing scripts, and making YouTube videos with zero human input. Right now, AI can write full blog posts and social media content. It can generate entire marketing videos in seconds. It can even create a digital version of you to present the content. Companies like Pictory AI and Synthesia AI can take a script, add an AI voice, and turn it into a full video. Ways to make money with AI-generated content. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI-generated video and voiceovers. Sell AI-written articles on Fiverr, Upwork, or as a ghostwriter. Create and sell AI-generated ebooks using ChatGPT and Jasper AI. That means you can start a faceless YouTube channel and make passive income. Businesses can automate video marketing and save thousands on production costs. Want to try this? Check out Pictory AI and Synthesia AI. AI in shopping and e-commerce. The future of retail. AI is taking over online shopping. By 2025, most stores and brands will be run by AI agents, not humans. AI-powered stores can predict what you want before you even search. AI-generated influencers are replacing human models and brand ambassadors. I can automate product descriptions, ads, and customer support. iTools powering e-commerce AI-generated ads and copywriting. Jasper AI and Copy AI help automate product descriptions and ad copy. I-powered chatbots. ManyChat and ChatGPT API are replacing human customer support agents. iProduct design. Midjourney AI and Canva AI can create unique product designs in seconds. Want to build an AI-powered online business? Try Shopify AI and Midjourney for product images. AI replacing jobs, but also creating new opportunities. AI is replacing jobs. But here's what no one talks about. It's also creating high-paying opportunities for people who know how to use it. AI careers that pay big. AI automation specialist, help businesses integrate AI tools. Prompt engineer, train AI models and improve chatbot interactions. AI content creator, use AI to automate video and blog content for brands. Want to future-proof your career? Take AI courses on Udemy or Skillshare. Conclusion and call to action, so there you have it. AI is changing everything in 2025, and this is just the beginning. Which AI trend do you think is the most exciting? Drop a comment below. And don't forget, if you want a step-by-step guide on making money with AI, grab your free AI Starter Kit PDF in the description. Since I'm giving this guide away for free, can you do me a quick favor? Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more AI money-making tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI hustle you're going to try. The future is coming fast, let's make sure you're ahead of it.